Hi, I'm Wendy and I'm a teacher. I'm going to show you here a way you can make some really fun, colourful worksheets using Microsoft Word and a website that says you can use the images on there that are free from copyright. So look at this colourful fruit-themed addition worksheet I have made. This would be very appealing for young learners. There are bright, vibrant colours and interesting pictures. So simply go to Microsoft Word and click on Design, and then you go to the Page Borders section. You can put wiggly lines and so on, but if you go down the bottom, there is a heading which says Art, and when you click on the drop-down box, you can choose all different designs there. So I've chosen to surround my border with apples. Then I have just put my heading in, so I've decided on a font size and a font style and a colour for my text. I'm just going to put a heading saying addition. Then I'm putting some very simple addition problems. So I'm using the numbering in wording, and to put a box for the student to put their answer in, I've just gone to insert and chosen the rectangular shape, made it the shape I want. Then I've right clicked on it, and under fill I've selected no fill. Then I have selected with the shape the behind text selection so that I can move my square around. So in the beginning I've just put an equation there, and I will adjust that later to the pictures that I'm going to insert. The website I have found is publicdomainvectors.org, and here is the explanation saying that you can copy any images from this website and there are no copyright rules about them. So I've put in apple in the selection box, and I've chosen which picture of an apple I would like to use on my worksheet. I have copied the image. Now I will paste it onto my Microsoft Word document. And of course it's quite large, so then I'm resizing it to a better size for my worksheet. I'm clicking the behind text option here so I can hover over it and select this apple and move it to where I want it to be. Then I'm just copying and pasting however many images I need to match my equation. So here I'm just adjusting the equation with my images so that it all looks a bit better organised. Once I'm happy with that, I will put my next equation down. This time I've chosen to put in bananas. So I choose a banana image that I like, copy and paste it onto my page, adjust the sizing, then I decided I would separate each equation. This worksheet is obviously for very young learners, just to make it a bit easier for them to see what's happening. And I've decided to put a shape around each group that we are adding. So I've just selected insert shape and click the no fill option so that there's shapes around each group. I've chosen oranges for my next equation. And you'll see I've gone a bit faster. Once you get used to what you are doing, it's a bit easier to know what you are doing each time. My last equation, I've chosen to put some plums. Then I'm just putting a footer and say who designed the worksheet, and later on I did put in the website where I got my images from, and here is the end of my worksheet. So I hope you can find that helpful. Goodbye.